When I got out of high school, I jumped on Dad's rig, and it just gets in your blood. I didn't have a problem getting up and going to work every morning.
I enjoyed being on the water. And when I found that the fishing regulations were so complicated, I was angry.
It is really frustrating to not have a say in what is happening to you.
It's not just, will the fish live or die? It's, will the fishermen live or die?
Well, why is this happening? Or why is this? Or why is that? Or they just want to shut it down. And
Am I going to be able to survive?
It's hard.
I first heard about MREP from two fishermen.
Got a hold of me and said, hey, I've got this great opportunity for you. It's a program that's by and for fishermen.
I was very skeptical going into that meeting and very enlightened coming out.
MREP gives you the recipe.
Where does the data come from? How do people use the data? The laws and the steps that one goes through to translate into a regulation.
I was afraid of the rule-making process, but I think they listened to what everyone there had to say, including myself.
MREP was really helpful in how I can be an active participant in the management of my fishery.